So maybe I'll walk through this one. So yeah, so the 3/12, that's the first thing I would start with. Neither of these is an exponent. It's just a simplifying of a fraction, right? Imagine the x's and the y's not even being there. If you just had 3/12, that reduces down to 1/4. Okay, so I might start with that. Think of it as 1/4, right? 3/12 is 1/4. The 3 cancels with the 12. Okay, so that's where I would start personally. You don't necessarily need the 1 on top. I just do to keep in my mind that it's a quarter or 1/4, but it doesn't matter. Then I see the 2 exponents here on the x, -4 and the 1. What I would actually do personally is I would move all the negative powers so that everything's positive when I start working with them. You don't have to do this. Again, these rules are interchangeable. But I might take this x to the -4, move it to the bottom, take the y to the -6, move it to the top, so that I'm only dealing with positive powers right off the bat. So on top, on top I'd have a y, and the y to the -6 would pop up to the top with a positive power, so it'd be y to the 6th. On the bottom I have an x, and the x to the -4 pops down to the bottom as a positive 4. Then I can combine those because they're on the same side of the fraction. So I would use the product rule, and this would become, let's see, y to the 1, y to the 6 is y to the 7th. I'm leaving off the 1 now because it's not really necessary. Then I have the 4 on the bottom, and the double x, so it's going to be x to the 5th, right? It's 1 and 4 makes 5. Okay, so when you're writing your final answers, you always want to have positive numbers in your exponents, okay? So my math lab won't accept stuff with negative powers in the exponent.